One of the most important thing in HTML is understanding the tag. If you understand how tags work, you almost know the 20% of HTML overall. Here is how it is going to work. If I write something called hello world here, save the file, Ctrl S. I just use the shortcut Ctrl S for the save. It is going to work Ctrl Z for undo, Ctrl Y for redo. All the basic things that work in other softwares, the same thing work in Visual Studio Code too. So I will save the file the way you understand either it is saved or not. If I press enter, now it is not saved. Here is a 1 written here. It means there is changes here. Unsafe changes the same thing. This icon is a circle. If I save it, now it will change to a counter here. So this is the basic thing you should know about how you save the file. If I open this in browser, I just come here, click on the start. As you can see, it is showing hello world here. But if I open Microsoft Word, this is not necessary, you should do, but I just want to make you understand how tags are going to work. And here in Microsoft Word, I just create a document. Here I will write a hello world. This is the basic thing. How you bold it? You just select the file, make it bold. Yes, it is bold. How you make it an heading, or how you make it underline, or italic, all of those things you can do. Yeah, and you can select and say it is an heading 1. Yes, it is heading 1. It is going to take shape. In HTML, it is going to work the same way. But if you want to make the hello world look bold, you just write a tag here, a starting tag, an ending tag. Inside that, you just write hello world. That is how it works. If you know about the tag, as I said, you almost know 20% of HTML. Hello world here, bold tag. The names are of course already predefined. B means bold, I means italic, which we will discuss in the future, all of them. But for now, B means bold, but this is the starting tag, this is the ending tag. The difference is the ending tag has a slash before the B. That's it. Whatever comes inside this one will become bold. If I save this and refresh the browser, as you can see, this is bold now. If I come here, the same thing is going to happen in the Microsoft Word. Imagine it is just think like this. When you are using Microsoft Word, it is going to add 2 tags here, starting tag, ending tag, but it is not showing for you because it will mess up your Word files. That's why it is not going to show up there. But in HTML, in the back end, you see the code, but in the front, you don't see. The front is like Microsoft Word. So the thing that you should know about HTML is that you learn all about tags. This is tag, this is whatever you pronounce it. Some people just say how you pronounce it. This is tag or tag or label, something like that. This is starting and this is the ending tag. So you understand this is tag. If you wanna write something for heading 1, just write h1 and say I am heading 1. Okay, save it. Now if I come here, refresh the page, as you can see, it is a very big font. In here, h1 is the same thing in Microsoft Word. So think of this like this, that it is going to add a tag behind the scene, but you don't see. But in the HTML, you just write the code here, and when you run it, it will show like this. In any web page, if you right click, view the source, it will show you the code like this. It will show you the code. If I come to W3 scroll and show the tag, the code, you can see all the codes here. Don't worry if you don't understand these things, because some of them are CSS and JavaScript. For now, just know that you can see any code. When you send any HTTP request, you can see the code. You might have the question, of course I can copy the code and use them. There are some things that you should know. In the future you will understand how you can copy, how you cannot copy, how we can limit the website, something like that. For now, you understand what is tag. In the next video I will explain you how you can start learning tags, and where you can start, where are all the tags. There are more than 3 or I don't know, a lot of tags that you should learn in HTML. You don't need to learn all of them to master, but step by step you will learn all of them. So in the next video I will start by teaching you the basic tags. It was of course the basic, but the step by step of the tags. So I hope it has been informative for you. If you have any questions so far, feel free to comment below. If you have not subscribed yet, please feel free to subscribe, because as I said, it will cost you nothing, but it means a lot to me. So thank you for watching.